Hello everybody. Let's start today's class again. It is the chapter surface areas and volumes. Exercise 13.1 part 2. In part 2 I will explain you question number 3 to question number 8. Okay. Now the third question is the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the floor 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. Find the height of the halls. What has given? Total cost has given, rate of cost has given, and perimeter has given. Okay. Now perimeter of the rectangle is 250. What is the perimeter? Formula of perimeter? It is 2 into length plus breadth. So we can write 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 250. Area of the 4 walls is total cost upon rate of cost of painting. Okay, so total cost is 15,000 and rate of cost is rupees 10. So it is divided, it is 1500 meter square. It is the total area of the 4 walls. So okay, now area of the walls, perimeter we have got. Perimeter into height is the area of the 4 walls. So okay, so perimeter into height is equal to 1500. It is 8 is equal to 1500 upon 250. It is 6. So height of the room is 6 meter. Next question, the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? Total paint, its total area has given, dimensions of one brick has given. So okay, now here surface area of one brick, that is 2 into length plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. It is the surface area of one brick, its formula. And now substitute length, breadth and height and calculate it. It is 250, 75 plus 168.75. Now by calculation it is getting, we are getting 937.50. Now it is centimeter square. If you change into meter square, it will come as 937.50 upon centimeter square. 2 times centimeter you have to change. So 100 into 100 you have to divide it. So okay, that is 0.09375 meter square. Okay. Next question is, oh no, next part, number of bricks that can be painted by the paint in the given container is the total area upon surface area of one brick. Okay, so total area upon surface area of one brick, this one. So if you divide it, now it is after 3 digit decimal and it is after 5 digit is decimal. Make it 5 digit, making adding 20 here. So it is, now cancel the decimal, it is coming 937500 and it is 9375. Now cancel it, it is 100. So there are 100 bricks. So okay, can be painted. Next question is, a cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. One cube and one cuboid. Okay, which box has the greater lateral surface area, by how much, and which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? Okay, now side, it is 10 centimeter of cuboid. So it is 4 walls means 4a square it is. So okay, lateral surface area of cubical box is 4a square. It is 400 centimeter square. Now lateral surface area of cuboidal box, cuboid, it is 2 into length plus breadth into height. It's okay. That is coming 2 into length plus breadth into height. That is 360 centimeter square. So it was 400 centimeter square. It is 360 centimeter square. So which is greater? It is, means cubical box is greater lateral surface area by how much? 400 minus 360. It is 40 centimeter square. Okay. Next part of this question. Total surface area of the cubical box, it is 6a square, and that is 600 centimeter square. And total surface area of the cuboidal box, that is again 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus height into length, that is coming 2 into 125 plus 80 plus 100, that is coming 610 centimeter cos square. Okay, so it is 600 and it is 610. Which smaller one has given? So again, cubical box is the smaller total surface area. So the total surface area of the cubical box is smaller by 610 minus 600 centimeter square is equal to 10 centimeter square. Okay. Next question is, a small indoor greenhouse herbarium is made entirely of the glass panes including base held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. What is the area of the glass and how much of the tape is needed for all the 12 edges? So okay, suppose this is the box, all the 12 edges we have to join with tape. First we have to find the area of total surface area. Okay, total surface area, it's a formula you know very well. That now substitute the value, calculate it. It is coming 4250 centimeter square. Okay, next question is, how much tape is needed? For that, the second part is length of the tape needed is length of the 4 edges. Now 4 times length plus breadth into height. It is okay. So 4 times length plus breadth into height, because the top floor 2 length 2 breadth in down floor. It's okay. In this way it is 4 times length plus breadth into height plus height. So it is 320 centimeter. Okay. Next question number 7. Shanti sweets stall was placing order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions 25 cm into 20 cm into 5 cm and the smaller of dimensions 15 cm into 12 cm into 5 cm. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4,000 centimeter square, it is the rate of cost. Find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Okay, this is the question. Now surface area of the one bigger box, that is 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus height into length. Now again substitute the value, length breadth height and height into length, that is coming 1450 centimeter square. Now find out the area of the total surface area of smaller box. So okay, that is again same formula and substitute the value. It is coming 630 centimeter square. Now total how much surface it is needed for 2 type of boxes, 2 boxes. Okay, 2 boxes, that is this plus this is equal to 2080 centimeter square. Okay, together we added the total area. Now extra cardboard required for overlapping, that is 5% of this total area. 5% means 5 upon 100 into, of means into, and 2080. Now calculate it, it is coming 104 centimeter square. It is the overlapping area. So okay, now again this part will add with the total area. It is extra area, so it is by adding this plus this is 2184 centimeter square. So total cost, now you have to multiply the total area into rate of cost into 250. 250 of each kind has to total, but I have multiplied by not 500. It is 250 because area total I have added already. Okay, so 2184 into 250 into 4 upon 1000. If you cancel it, it is coming to 1884. Okay, the rupees 2184. Next question is, Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimensions 4 meter into 3 meter? Now solution has given here. Area of tarpaulin, simple, a cubical type of form has given here, where base we no required for the base, so therefore 4 walls and the ceiling it is. Okay, ceiling means the top, so length into area of top plus area of 4 walls. It's okay, 4 sides, that is length into breadth, area of top, and it is 2 into length plus breadth into height. Okay, now it is 12 and it is 14 into 2 7s are 14 into 2.5, that is coming 47 meter square. Okay, total this much area is, this much meter square of tarpaulin is needed. Thank you very much, and many thanks to them, those who has subscribed to the channel and liked it. Thank you very much again.